Hello and welcome friends to this video. In today's video I am sharing a crochet pattern. This is a very beautiful and lovely crochet pattern. It's very versatile as well. Here you can see the close-up view of this pattern. It is in the hands of my lovely mother. She is handling this piece that I have made. This is a crochet piece that I have made, and this pattern is so versatile and beautiful. It looks very lovely, and as you can see, this can be used in so many different ways. You can think of using it in a shawl, in a cape, and in the comments do let me know what would you like to see this pattern made in. Do share your comments and suggestions. Do share your suggestions. Do remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on all the notifications of Art Inspired Fingers. I am working on a lot of things, but my videos have been postponed because life happens and I'm just caught up in so many things in life going on right now. But I am coming back on the channel with some more videos that I have. So do give me your support with your likes and comments. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.